TP1 and TP2 right here, then I'm gonna take that trade. But if it breaks this to hit all the way to 0.786, then I'm going to take that trade to take it to reverse, and I'm gonna catch those pips. So catching this move. For gold, alright. So for gold, I spotted a balance on I think it was a 1 hour, to 30 minute. But y'all already know how I do gold. Showing in my last video. Um, this let me see. So 1800. It is at 1739 right now. I'm looking for it to go up to 1755 from this horizontal line right here. So what I was doing was that well, I can see this is buying up on a daily. Let me look on the weekly. The weekly is bullish. Monthly, the monthly is bullish. It might drop. It might drop to that imbalance right here. Alright. But I did read news from last week. Last week said the news was horrible for gold. So for gold, I'm looking for it to buy up in this area for the 0.382. What I'm looking for gold from gold is for gold to buy up all the way to this imbalance. Hold on, you want to? Let me show you right now. Yeah. So I'm looking for gold to buy up all the way to this imbalance for 1755 and to reverse back down. Um, going going all the way to 1743, which is about 118 pips. Also, if it does go lower to right here, right back to this imbalance right here, that's around like 276 pips. So I can just basically go off back and forth, up and down, catching those pips, while it just creates market structure, and also takes out those imbalances. Um, but I have an alert here, just to be prepared, so I won't miss this move. But if it does, I'm prepared also. So if it does come to this 0. If it does come to this 0.382 level and reverses to come back down to hit this TP1 and TP2 right here, then I'm gonna take that trade. But if it breaks this to hit all the way to 0.786, then I'm going to take that trade to take it to reverse, and I'm gonna catch those pips. So catching this move, hopefully, for this from right here to all the way right here, that's about 287 pips. Catching that move and having my stop loss right around. Y'all already know how I do it. I'm gonna have it around this area just in case. This will give them room, so it won't psych me out. I'm just gonna hold that trade to make sure that it's gonna go in that direction. If it does not, um, it can possibly buy up all the way to 1800, possibly. So I'm not sure yet, but I'm just gonna give it time. It looks like it's breaking. It's breaking. This is coming in this area to go up. So I might get into a buy, quick little buy, and then come out. Um, so what am I on? Oh, so next is Nas 100. So Nas 100, I'm going to be trading a little differently. The way I used to trade, this, the Nas pit, was just going on a 5 minute, and I would let me I'm gonna show you right now. Boy, the freak. Alright, the hell? Hmm, that's weird. But I'm gonna show y'all right now. So what I used to do was that I used to go like in a 100, since it's the National 100, and it moved by like 100 points. I would just, and I still kind of do it just to find my TPs, but I'm gonna show you how I did it. So 1300, right? I mean 100 points, 100 points right here. So uh, boom, 100. Nah, I'm gonna put this over here, over right here. Okay. Okay. So I would use like the 100 points as my TP level, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you like as it hits and stuff like that. So um, let me see. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna back test this for you. I'm gonna go back a little bit. Let's see. I can do it right here. Right here is good. I'm just gonna put. I'm gonna put 2,000 and 200. Alright. So alright. So yeah, this is good. Okay. So from 200, from 100 points to 200 points, um to 300 points right here. I'm just gonna mark it down. Uh, so usually I'll probably just um let this, like, if I see like it's routing up or something, or from this level, from that 300 level, it, it comes up, hits that 100 point level, comes down a little bit, pull back, and then it goes straight up to that 200 level, and from that, from 100 to 200, 99 pips. So and this moves in points. So this moves really quick, really fast, and depending like on the 0.01, that's a lot of bread. Like that's like probably like nine. I'm not even sure, to be honest, but I know right here this is more than 1,000. This is more than 1,000 pips. So if you had like a 0.01 on that, which is basically having proper money management with this, for like a 200, $300 account, $400 account. Some people they'll probably put like a 0.03, 0.02. The most I've ever put in NAS 100 is a 0.09, 0.010, 0.12. Um, so yeah, that's like that's the highest. That's when I had like $900 accounts and I was catching like 2,000, 3,000 off that, off those moves. But the reason why I love NAS so much is because it really pays out. Like just a couple of pips, and yeah, if you have like a $200 account, just like a couple of 50 pips, your account probably like at 150 or 100 pips. I mean $100 or $200, depending like how you do it. But that's how I did. That's how I did with points. Um, or all I'll do is just have the 100 points, 200 points, 300 points, depending on where price is at. That's how I do it. But I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna be doing now too. And let's delete this. Yeah. So um, alright. So on the daily, um, I start off. I started off doing my trend lines. So I think it's very important to know which type of trader you are, a technical or a fundamental trader. So I'm more so like a technical trader. So um, just depending like on what like if I find like what news is doing, that's good too. But I like to just I like to do my technical analysis on things, you know. But um, as I saw, hold on, I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm just gonna erase everything. So what I see right now is that from October, it has pushed up and made this high, and it pulled back a little bit to make a higher high from that level. So what I see is that I can put this trend line right here, um, and I saw that it came out to bounce out that um, this level from that 1659 level to come up to have this high right here, and it came back to bounce off to buy up again a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a trend line right here. I'm gonna show y'all right now. I'm put it right there. Um, let's see. So I'm just doing like the channels and stuff like that. Now I can see that this is in the range of um, buying up and having a lot of upwards moving. So I'm gonna be looking for a buy. Um, I'm gonna scale in. So I don't really see anything like that, but I'm gonna scale into like the 4 hour. And for the 4 hour, I can actually see a little bit better what the market's trying to do a little bit. Um, I'm gonna put a horizontal line right here. Um, I'm looking for it to buy up to here to that resistance level. Let's see. I'm gonna put a little resistance right here for the resistance so it can break. Uh, let's see. I'm trying to see what the market's trying to do to push up. You know, on the 4 hour, I just start seeing channels and stuff like that. So see a channel right here. So I am looking for it to buy up from this trend line, breaking that trend line to hit this horizontal line, ray line right here, for a couple of pips. So I'm looking for this move to happen. If it does not, I'm gonna wait and see if it's just um doing a retracement to the downside to this support line, since 12659. But if so, I'm looking for this joint to break and to buy all the way up here. Uh, Hopefully, this right here, this is a good amount of pips for 20 hours. So I'm going to be waiting for that move to happen. If it breaks out, it might bounce around in in this shape right here. It might bounce around. Yeah. It might bounce around. Like probably make that. Probably will turn around, come back down, touch this one more time, and come back up to break, or might come back down a little bit more to come back up to break that level. If it doesn't, it might just break this level all the way up to this horizontal line, um, giving you giving you 308 points. So let's see what happens. If that happens, then that's gonna be a good move that I'm gonna be waiting on. Um, yeah, let's 500. Let's see what's up with this. Uh, SPX 500. So the SPX 500. What is that? I didn't have my analysis. Oh, okay, the SPX 500. Let's see what's up with it. So monthly, it is bullish. So monthly is bullish. Looking to buy. Weekly is bullish. It's a bullish candle starting. And the daily is bullish. So I'm looking for a buy with SPX. So I put my trend line. I put it right here. The previous price. Okay. A tiny bit right there. See, gonna put it in right here. Yeah, put a trend line right there. And I'm just following the trend. Like if it's going upwards, I'm following that. Alright, so what I see right here is the market came up here in February 15th. The market bought up, rejected to break that trend line, and came reversed down to the downside, making lower highs and lower lows. Um, so I made that low right here, made a lower high, then made this lower low right here. for this wick. So for that wick to look like for it to buy up, giving me the opportunity to take this trade. Let's see. Resistance to. Alright, I see resistance right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a box, and then I'm gonna do a horizontal line for that area. Uh, how I do SPX2, I will probably put like 3900, 1850, 3950. So I'll do this even round numbers around there. So like in the 4 hour, I'm sure in the 1 hour on how it hit. So if you was to do that, from it coming up and not breaking that line, you could have gotten for a sell right here when it got under that moving average, going to 3900 or to 3850. Got in right there, boom, for 70, 77, 78, 77 pips, or from here 30 to 25 pips if you like a scalp or anything like that. That would have been a great move, period. I also see a balance right here. So I am looking for SPX to buy up to this level. Right here. I'm looking for SPX to buy up to 79, 11 or 79.10, around that range, and to head its way back down. Um, head its way back down to either 3850 or 3850 or to this Fibonacci retracement level of 0.382 or 0.5 or 0.618, or to this last take profit level of take profit 4 right here to that 0 level. So yeah, this is my analysis for NAS 100 and SPX 500, and what I'm looking for throughout the week. So yeah, get at me. Just like, comment, and subscribe to this. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good night.